we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride your mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This unit is from the Outre Wigpop series and this is their synthetic full wig. The style is Dessy, the color is DR2 Cinnamon Wine, and these are the color colors the unit is available in. This unit is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and two combs on either side. This is how the unit is looking, and as you all can see guys, the unit does look a bit shiny, so take that into consideration. And this is how the parting space is looking. I'll go right in and put the wig on so you can see how the hair is looking. I'll turn around so you can see the full wig. First, I'll go in and lay a little baby hairs. This unit doesn't come with baby hair guys, but you know your girl gotta lay a little hair at the front, and I'll be using the Got To Be gel to lay the baby hairs. Next, I'll add some concealer to brighten the parting space. I am adding some mousse to get rid of the flyaways. Now it's time to play around with the hair and see how best I can style this unit. I am loving these units from the Outre Wigpop series. They are affordable, under $20. This unit is only $15, and guys, the only con, it does look shine on camera, but you can go in and add your dry shampoo to reduce all that. It is big head friendly. It is beginner friendly. As you all know guys, it is a full wig, so there's not a lot of work you gotta do, so it is definitely convenient. If you're interested in this unit, the link is in the description down below. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
I get high off you, so what we gonna do? I get high off you, so what we gonna do? Ooh, I just wanna love you, treat you so right, wanna show you how everyone